We stayed at Fijian campsite for a week and explored. Calm weather meant we could just sit and watch. Cuckoos calling, and Irish mountain hares fed around the water's edge. Whimbrel constantly called, and skylarks soared high, singing. Oystercatcher were nesting nearby. And Highland cattle rested on the strand line. Iona was only a mile offshore, and our camper van was nestled into a sheltered hollow. Ring plover darted back and forth and fed on the sand and the seaweed. We only had one day of rain, and when it was over, the cuckoos continued calling. The sea was clear and bright. Kelp waved in the deeps. And the sand eels could be seen in the shallows. We took a trip to Stafford Island and Fingal's Cave with its basalt columns. We got close to puffins with their strange roar coming from the burrows. The burrows were closely watched by a partner standing outside. Lapwing flapped up and down over the meadows and the fields. As it grew dark, the snipe dived down from on high, vibrating special tail feathers to make this woo-woo noise.